Okay, so I have a previously recorded green screen video that I recorded using my VR spot. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that video, and I can automatically send that to WeVideo. And the other option, if you've recorded your green screen video using a different application, you can just download that to your desktop. And then there's an option to upload it once you get into WeVideo. So I'll click right here on WeVideo. When I get there, I'm going to create a new video edit, click next. And then I have my different media up here. I'm going to switch it so that it's different view. So first I'm going to take that green screen video and I will drag it down to video 2. But if I would like to filter out the green so that you can just see the outline of myself, I'm going to double click on that. And then I'm going to go to the 5th option here, color keying. I'll click on the dropper and then just click on the green area. And that should filter all the green out, and then I'll click done editing if I'm done editing. Another thing that's nice in this area, if you would like to move yourself over, if you have an object or something you'd like to insert over here, you can move that object around as well. You can also change the size. I'm going to keep it around the same size. There's options for audio, so if I would like it to be a little bit louder, my voice, I can turn that up. There's some different animation options for different slides coming in. There's coloring options and speed options. I'm not going to change anything else, and I'll just click done editing. Okay, so my next step in creating my video, since I have a video of a book review that I wrote, I'm going to import the picture from my book that I want. So if I want to go find that image, I'm going to go to my drive and find where I have saved that image. And one of the easiest ways, you can either just save the image, but I'm going to go ahead and just do a screenshot. On a Mac, that's just Command-Shift-4, and I'm going to do a screenshot of that image. And that will go straight to my desktop. Now I'm going to push this upload or import media option, and I will browse, and then I'm just going to go straight to my desktop, find that screenshot, open, and then it should pop right up. And there it is. It says queued for processing, but I have one down here that's ready. So I'm going to drag this picture that I want to bring into it's video 1, the second line down right here. And then I want it to last the same amount of time as my actual video. So I'm going to click on here and I'm going to drag it until it is the exact same length as my video. Now, if I want to do any editing on my picture, I'm also going to double click and I can move, should be able to move that around. Let's see. Oh, it just cut out a little bit. Let me try that again. Move that around, push done editing. There, now it's kind of where I want it. There are some other options with resizing. If you would like it to be a little bit smaller, you can do that, push done editing. I'm not sure why it's disappearing like that. And there, now I have my picture of my book that I'm reviewing on my video. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make an introduction and ending slide. So I'm actually going to move over my video for about, just for now, I'll move it for a minute. And I'm going to go to this second icon here where there's different graphics that you can use as the background. And you can choose from a variety of graphics here. Let's say I want to start with the curtains. So I will move that right down there where I want it, and I can adjust the time as needed. And then I also would like to insert some text on to go with that same background. So I'm going to go to the last icon and I'm just going to click text right here. And I'm going to drag that down below. And then I'm going to double click on that text. And this is where I'm going to type my text. So I will write the name of my book review, which is There's a Bird on Your Head by Book Review by Mrs. Goodman. And you can also change the font here. I'll change it to this one. You can change the size or whatever you want. When you're done editing the text, just push done editing. And it looks like I've done this in the wrong order, so I'm going to drag it around. I'm going to put my text on the first slide. And then I can put this as the background. There we go. And it looks like I need to adjust my text just a little bit so it fits better. I'm going to adjust the size there. I'm going to push done editing. Now I also want to make sure that my text lasts for the same amount of time as my background. So I'm going to pull it like that. And then I'm going to play and make sure that I like it this way. Perfect. Okay. Looks great. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing with my ending. So I'm going to go back to backgrounds and I'm going to go ahead and just choose the same background again, put it down below at the end of my video, and then I'm going to enter text. So I'll go to that last icon again, and I'm just going to do enter text. You could do end credits, double click. I'm going to say, now go check it out. And I'll change that font so it's consistent. And I like everything else, so I'll click done editing. And then I'm going to adjust that so it's the same length as my background. And now I have my introduction and my ending with background and font.